Here we will read a beautiful poem of Sri Aurobindo, The Divine Hearing. Actually, Sri Aurobindo says that all sounds are the voice of the divine. In our modern city life, we are surrounded by countless sounds, that is call of birds, the ringing of temple bells, the roar of the sea, the whistle trains, the honk of cars, the noise of factory machines, or the wailing of sirens. Normally, we consider these as separate, often disturbing noises. But in the poet's vision, they are all part of one great music, the universal song of the divine. For example, sounds of nature, the chirping of birds at dawn, the rustling of leaves, the pattern of rain, this calm the heart, for here the poet, these are God's own voice. Likewise, in today's world, the roar of cars, buses, metro or airplanes often feels noisy. Yet Sri Aurobindo saw this too as rhythm and music connected to the cosmic consciousness. For example, the human of the plain symbolizes man's conquest of the skies. The horn of a car is a call of speed and motion. And about human voices, the chatter of marketplace, a child's cry, a friend's laughter, or a lover's song, though different, but all are varied expression of the divine. So here, the core of the teaching Sri Aurobindo says, like this we can say, if we do not just hear the external sounds, but feel the inner music, we may realize every sound is part of a single symphony. Noise and silence, laughter and tears, all are the divine expressions. In our blind heart lies a secret harmony that makes everything beautiful. In short, Sri Aurobindo teaches us the universe is not a chaotic noise but a grand symphony. If we learn to truly listen, we'll understand all is beautiful because God is. Now, hear the poem Divine Hearing. All sounds, all voices have become thy voice. Music and thunder and cry of birds, life's bubble of her sorrows and her joys, candescence of human speech and murmur words, the laughter of sea's enormous mirth, the wind playing purring to the conquered air, the autos trumpet song of speed to earth, the machine's reluctant drone, the sirens blare, blowing upon the windy horn of the space, a call of distance and of misery. Memories of sun-bright lands and ocean ways, all now are wonder tones and themes of thee. A secret harmony steals to the blind heart. All grows beautiful because thou art.